Welcome to You Fix It All. Today we will be putting an end on a Cat 6 wire, or as we like to call it, an RJ45. Here's the RJ45, has 8 pins on it. And we'll be doing this with just tools you can get at a local store. Here is a crimping tool for attaching your RJ45, and that'll also strip and cut. I like to use a scissors, an electrician's scissors, to do my wire stripping and cutting. So start by lightly scoring the wire and breaking it. That's a good way to strip the wire. You just give it a quick score, quickly snap it, and it'll break apart. Then separate out your string and ribbon if your Cat 6 wire has it. Cut that short. And now you will have your 4 pairs exposed, an orange, green, blue, brown pairs. And there they are separated. And then begin to unravel each pair and straightening them with your fingers. And that's simply achieved by just unwinding it, straighten them out. You want your wire length to be about anywhere from an inch to 2 inches here, so it's a little easier to work with. And the RJ45's ends that we will be using today in this video are closed end. They also sell easy RJ45s where the wires will pass all the way through and that tool will snip off the wires. I prefer the closed end ones, and some applications like audio receivers require non-easy style RJ45. So start to gather the wires in this order. Is going to be white, orange, solid orange, white, green, then solid blue and white blue, followed by solid green, white brown, and solid brown. And then the good move to do is you hold those wires flat in your hand and rock them up and down, and it'll slowly start to straighten out and become flat in between your fingers. And you want the wires to be nice and flat and stay in order, as when you cut it now, it'll make it easy to insert into the RJ45. Cut it nice and straight with either your scissors or your stripping tool. In that order you put it in, the RJ45, the tab will be facing away from you. Slide it in, make sure all your wires are within their slot, and then I like to push that jacket up into the RJ45 itself. Insert that into your crimping tool. One crimp should do it. If you feel like, sometimes I like to crimp it 3 or 4 times. And there's your RJ45 end. You can check the order through the clear plastic to see if it's done correctly. And there you have it.